Okay, the water, this is to make kombucha. The water's boiling, so I'm going to turn that off. I'm making a double recipe, so I will be using 4 bags of black tea and 4 bags of green tea. You have to use black tea because the Scoby eats the tannins in the tea. So you put those in there and they're going to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. And then we will add the sugar next. Now we're going to add 2 cups of sugar, stir that in, and then wait for the tea to be room temperature. Okay, this is now cooled down to room temperature, or more like body temperature. I hear it's better than room temperature. So you're going to take this batch, and you're going to put this in here. That's just sugar and tea. And if you're starting out, you're going to want to put this in it. If you're redoing it, you just drain it down. You never empty it completely. You always want a starter. This is your Scoby. It forms layers. You say nice things to it. And sometimes it'll get bubbles. I popped them so it keeps it sunk. Now we're going to fill this up with water. Okay, now I put the Scoby in. Okay, you want distilled water, filtered water, something that gets the chlorine and the chloramines out because it needs to be able to ferment, and chlorine, I guess, stops that process.